Throughout my journey, years ago, I would refer to myself as a statistic. The 1 in 4 who experiences infant loss, and the 1 in 5 who experiences divorce. What I have learned from those things happening is that life happens to you. Sometimes it happens to you real fast, and it knocks you down real hard. But I am sitting here today to let you guys know, and this is to answer the question how the program was birthed, that when you're going through it, you can't understand the reason, you can't see the purpose, and it feels like you can't get out. But having gone through that darkness and then feel myself coming through, I just figured in that moment that I had a responsibility to let others know that no matter how dark a place you get to in your life, if you just keep going, you will make it out. If you give yourself the permission to hurt, to cry, to feel the pain. I mean, it was a tough time because, you know, guys, when you work in this industry and things happen, you have to weather it, right? And then pretend everything's okay. So you still smile in the morning, you still have your corporate job, you do everything you're supposed to do. Somebody asked me just before we came on this morning, or this evening, sorry, I'm being as candid as I can, how it was that I had gotten to this size. Always been slim. No, wasn't always slim. When you're going through a time when one group of people is telling you, oh my gosh, you look ill, and another group of people is saying to you, you've never looked better in your life, where do you land? Such is the nature of pain. It is to the point where it draws you down. Right, guys? I'm sharing this, and this show is about letting everybody know that it's okay to hurt mentally, and that mental hurt is something that we need to pay more attention to, because if you're sick in this country, people are looking for some kind of physical wound or scar. But this is crucial, and you have to take care of it. And it's okay to be at that place where you know you've made mistakes. The key is, what do you learn from the mistakes so that you can move forward and that you can move on with your life, make better choices, and help other people along the way.